The Toyota app already gives Toyota owners a seamless way to stay connected to their vehicles. And for owners of select Toyota Electrified vehicles, or EVs, this app now provides users with access to ChargePoint's network of over 30,000 charging locations, increasing public charging accessibility by including it all within the Toyota app. So let's go over how to find a station, how to set up your wallet and register your account, and then finally how to charge and pay. Note that an active Remote Connect trial or subscription is required to use these features. We'll start by selecting Find Stations on the home screen. Next, either enter a location or have the app locate you. You'll now see a list of stations, and you'll have the option to filter results by preferred charging networks like EVgo and ChargePoint, as well as by charging level, whether they're open, and favorites. And for select stations, the app will even show live pricing, as well as how many chargers are actively available at that moment. Once you find the right station, just select it and head out. In fact, the app can even send directions directly to your vehicle's navigation system. Just tap Send to Car. It's worth noting that you can also search nearby stations simply by selecting Find from the main lower navigation, then Stations. Now, assuming you haven't set up your Toyota Wallet's payment method for public charging yet, you'll see a Set Up Wallet button at the bottom of the station listing, so go ahead and tap it. This will bring you to the Add Card page within the app's wallet feature. Enter your card information and billing address. Tap Save, then Done. And with that, your payment is now ready to use. So let's circle back to our station listing. Now that the payment method is established, you'll see a Register button at the bottom instead. Tap that, then agree to the terms and conditions. If there's an existing ChargePoint account with your Toyota account's email address, the two will automatically be linked. If not, the app will create an account for you. Either way, now just tap Continue to sign in and you're set to charge. The credit card linked in the Toyota wallet will now be used for payment when using any public EV charging station in the ChargePoint network, or their network of roaming partners. Now that the payment method is set up, it's easy to use the Toyota app to charge. Once you're at your selected station and ready, just plug the connector into the vehicle and tap Start Charging at the bottom of the station listing. Charging will appear on the overview screen, along with the current battery percentage and the time left to a full charge. You can select Stop Charging at any time or simply wait until you're fully charged. Once you're done, the payment will be processed and the final cost displayed. So just tap OK to wrap up. And that's a quick look at using the Toyota app for public charging. To learn more about Toyota's electrified lineup, visit toyota.com/electrified.